Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, May 3rd, and boy, it does not feel like May. It is downright chilly and raw and wet this afternoon. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots. First off, coming from Tuscaloosa, where, of course, that's one of many, many disaster scenes across the state. That's looking north from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. It's wet, light rain falling, and it's very chilly with temperatures only around 50 degrees. Goodness. That's quite a shock to the system after these days of 80s. We'll go down south. That's the Demopolis Skycam looking north from the Demopolis Civic Center. Same thing there, cool and wet. They've got 53 with light rain. And up in the Tennessee Valley, same thing. Huntsville, that's Memorial Parkway, where rain is falling, and they're sitting right at 50 at 2 o'clock. Big trough is sweeping through. Cold air aloft, kind of coming down to the surface, making for a chilly and damp day. And yeah, look at that front. Over in Atlanta and points south and east, they're like sitting around 80, but here we've got 48 for Haleyville and Cullman at 2 o'clock. Wow. Birmingham 53, the Tuscaloosa Airport 54. And once this stuff moves out of here tonight, we clear out. We'll be very chilly in the morning. Some of the colder pockets will easily see lows down in the upper 30s. Probably the last time we'll see that until about the time the pumpkins come out in the fall. Around the nation, you see that tongue of very chilly air coming down through northwest Alabama because of the clouds and rain we have here. And even behind that, it's pretty cool with readings only in the 60s out in Texas where the sun is shining. Here's our watch warning map, and generally speaking, things are very quiet around the nation. Thank goodness. A few flash flood issues up north, and that's about it. No severe weather, no winter storm problems. There's the rain for the next 5 days, and this is counting the rain that started at 7 o'clock this morning, goes through 7 o'clock Sunday morning, and amounts of about 1/2 inch, and that's the rain we have today. After today, will be dry for maybe quite a while. Check the modeling. This is the 12Z Global Forecast System run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. There's the trough over the east, and down below that will be dry as a bone. Sunshine. And after a morning low near 40, we'll see a high close to 70 degrees in most spots. Very low humidity with dew points only in the 30s tomorrow. Continental air. Thursday, same deal. We'll start the day down in the low 40s, wind up in the middle 70s. Friday, be up there in the upper 70s, pushing 80. Little impulse north of here. Should miss us. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, warm and dry. Low 80s with a good supply of sunshine. And you know, this morning we talked about taking out the chance of rain Sunday. Well, consistency is good. Forget it. We're not going to mention rain Sunday. I know it's the big golf tournament this weekend down at Shoal Creek, and they will be thankful for that. Be a little warm, though. We'll be up in the mid-80s, and the humidity values will be creeping up with those higher dew points. And there's Monday of next week. Trough back over the northwest. We got a light northwest flow aloft here, and again, we stay dry on Monday. Warm and dry with mid-80s. And a week from today, same thing. Deep low way north of us. Ridging means warm, dry conditions. So after the rain today, looks like we stay dry at least for the next week. By the way, I forgot to show you the radar. That's the radar at 246. That's what it looks like coming from Birmingham. That's the rain on that front. All right, let's dig deeper. The end of the forecast, May 19th. Look at that deal now. Deep upper low over the east, centered around Bristol, Tennessee. And that's got everything all blocked up, and it's cool if that's right. Again, I bet you that thing will be gone on the next run, but interesting to see. But again, the good news, no sign of any major severe weather threat here for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
In back-to-back ratings periods,
more people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.